People who have no friends share these rare inner traits. Not having friends doesn't make you broken. It means your mind doesn't fit shallow spaces. You read people before they speak. You sense intentions, not words. Most minds can't handle that clarity. Your silence is an emptiness. It's self-preservation. Noise drains you faster than loneliness does. You crave conversations that feel like truth, not performances, not masks, just raw presence. Almost no one can offer that. You don't attach easily, but once you do, you attach completely. And that intensity scares casual people. You choose solitude because your inner world feels more honest than most friendships you've experienced. If this feels familiar, you're not hard to love. You just refuse to shrink yourself to fit smaller minds.